at Baker today. Well, not actual Baker, but Mount Baker, Snoqualmie Forest, if you want to be precise. Doing Ptarmagin Ridge with my peeps. So our hike today is, I think, almost 20K with maybe 1,000 meters elevation gain. Do I switch back? What? Do I go down this switchback or this way?
Go to your right.
Switch back.
Yeah. Either way, it all switches.
Hi. You're on candid camera. Yeah, so almost 20 kilometers return today with, I think, close to 1,000 meters elevation gain. But yeah, it's nice. It's a more gradual hike, so shouldn't be too hard, just long. Flowers everywhere. Look at these pretty flowers. Here's our first ice patch, or snow patch. Whoop! Just enough to get some snow in my shoes. Get windy, might lose my hat. Some more snow. It is end of July, just so you know. And yes, so there's a little bit of snow still, but nothing too crazy. Whoa! Let's get a video of me bailing. Haha, not this time. We are hoping to see some mountain goats today. Fingers crossed. I still haven't seen them on a hike before.
Have you ever seen mountain goats?
No. Don't fall down the hole. Oh, I'm dizzy now. Onwards. After our photo shoot.
Yeah, it was like, this is a good spot for a group photo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Carry on. If we must.
Carry on, my wayward son. We can make a snow angel. What's that? Yeah. Photographer Lee's in the house. Climbing up.
We've seen a bunch of them here.
He's so cute.
Bearded. They're an enemy.
Woo!
Oh, girls.
wee, wee, wee. Crashes into Rosie. Don't do it. All right, let's get closer. Hopefully it'll clear up some more and we'll be even closer to Baker. It looks so close, like you could just easily scramble up there, but it's not as close as you think it is. And you do need proper climbing equipment to actually summit Baker. And like a lot of people end up going with a tour company. Sorry if it's really windy. I can't control the wind. But yeah, one day I gotta do it because I've been looking at that peak for years, so one day. Well, we gotta go up there. Up, up, up we go.
And then we can nom nom.
Yes, food.
I know.
I need food. I get hangry. Hey, what lake is that? Is that Baker Lake?
Baker Lake, yeah.
Okay. We're gonna be so close to Baker. Look at them go. Wow. It's right there. We're just about at the end of the ridge. And wow, I definitely recommend this hike. Like, come on, you're right beside Baker. What more could you want? And pro tip, come here during the week because it's way quieter, way less people-y. Oh my, look at all the snow. So cool. Just don't slip in the wrong spots.
If I'm gonna go, that's how I want to go.
At least I'll die happy.
Right?
Nobody's dying today.
What's that?
Nobody's dying today.
Not today.
Not today, Satan.
Hey, sir.
Hi, sweetie. You think I got some nuts for you? Actually, I do have some pistachios. Time for some more snacks. We made it. Now we hike down. Let's go. Let's go have a victory meal. Such a beautiful hike. I'm so glad I got here. I've been wanting to come back to Baker for a while. It used to be so accessible for me when I lived on the mainland, but yeah, now it's a little more tricky to get to living on the island. All right, I am probably not going to film too much more because we're just basically going the reverse way back. But yeah, this is a really good hike. I will put the actual hike stats up on the screen because I think it's a little bit different than I said it was. And yeah, so if you like videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button and like and comment. That really helps these videos grow. And thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.
Wow. You're like, I said it's very.
Made it to the parking lot. Whew. It got hot out.